Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to use robocorp in Visual Studio. So all of the videos I have created in robocorp till now we have seen them in robocorp IDE, but for now and for the future videos we're going to use Visual Studio for the robocorp. So let's go ahead and see how we can create a new robot in Visual Studio and start using it for our further learnings. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and open up Visual Studio. So here I am in the Visual Studio. I have one folder, main folder, which is robots, and I already created a demo one. So I'm going to create another folder so that you can see how we're going to do that. And the first thing that you need to do, you need to go to manage extensions here and search for robocorp. When you search the term robocorp, you will get these two extensions. You need to add these two extensions. One is the robocorp code and the other one is robot framework language server. And after adding these two extensions to Visual Studio, come to the code again here, press Ctrl Shift and P. If you press Ctrl Shift P, you will see something like this on the screen, where you can see different actions that you can perform. You can create a robot, you can debug terminal, and all the other things that you can do with the robocorp. So for now we will use robocorp create robot so that it will create a new robot here. So if you click on create robot, it will ask you to select the template, which template that we are going to using. Are we using the Python template or the robot framework template? So let's go ahead and select the standard robot framework template and we should provide the name. Let's name it as demo and click enter. If you see that here it is already created a demo and it is creating us the required files, which is task robot and all the other things. And if you see here at the bottom, it says robot successfully created in this folder. So we got our robot installed or created. If you open the task.robot, you can see this task and how you are going to run this whole code. Where are you going to run this? One thing you can do is, if you see here, there is an option called run for executing the task.robot file directly from Visual Studio. And if you see here, it is getting all the libraries that is required for this robot and all the other things that it will set up all the things. After that, if you go here, then there is an icon that is added, which is robocorp. And if you see here, we have different set of snippets. Like one is for robot, where you have all the robots that you have inside your folder or the main folder. After that, we have robot content, which will talk about what are the files that is present in the current robot that you are using. After that, the locators, if you are working with the browser or a web automation or a desktop automation, you will have locators. Those will be seen here or captured here so that you can use it in the automation. After that, we have work items. If you are using queues, these work items will be useful there. For now, we won't see it, and other things you can link to the control room. On if you want the development guide, you can go from here, and the keyword documentation as well. So these are the things that will be added after you add the extensions. So let's go here and see this demo flow. Let's try to run this from here. In the robots, I'm going for demo. If you see here, there is a run all tasks launch task. If I click here, it will start executing this particular robot. If you see here, it started. And in the commands panel, if you see, it will start the process and then it will generate a log file and other folders as well, the output folders as well. And it is started. If you see the command, it is started with the command, and it is getting all the libraries that it is required. For the first time it will take some time, and for the other, once you establish all things, then it won't take much time to execute. And now it executed everything, and if you see here the log, it says okay. And if I go here in the demo, now we can see an output folder that is created. If you go here, you can see different types of files, which is environment, the log, which is our main file, which generally whatever the log that we are receiving in the Robocop IDE, we will receive that here in the HTML format. And that's it. This is how you set up Robocop in Visual Studio and create your first robot. And in the further videos, we will continue the Excel files library from Visual Studio itself. We are not gonna use Robocop IDE. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.